What is going on, guys? It's ZDB Shoes here, and today I have a very special unboxing video from a company that I've never unboxed before. So I know you guys have seen me do eBay mystery boxes. I know you guys have seen me do a Lacedup mystery box, but today I have a box from Lacedup, and this is a company that's getting very popular recently. Harrison Neville, I know, did a few unboxing videos from Lacedup, and they seem to be gaining a lot of traction. They have a lot of mystery boxes, and so today I'm just going to be unboxing their $200 Bape Only mystery box, which seems to be like a very popular mystery box. So I figured I'd unbox one to show you guys kind of maybe what you should expect from these, because it's a reasonable price point as far as maybe starting your Hypebeast collection or starting to buy Bape. If you like Bape, you can't really go wrong with a Bape shirt or a Bape accessory. But with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, guys, the neat thing about Lacedup is that they do put their logo on both sides of the box, as well as some question marks, just to kind of be suggestive, I guess, of like, it's a mystery box, you don't know what you're gonna get. So that's pretty nice. So anyway, with my trusty knife handy, let's go ahead and break into the box. So I'm only expecting like maybe 1 or 2 items in this, because $200 spent on Bape is honestly not that much, but we'll see. And all of the laced up mystery boxes actually do come with this nice reusable bag that you can use for groceries, or you can store, you know, basically anything in. So it's a really good deal. If anything, you get a free bag out of it if you are planning to resell the stuff you get. And what's also really nice about it is that they wrap their stuff up in their own wrapping, the laced up wrapping. So this first item here, I'm gonna guess it is a shirt. Really feels like a shirt. If it's not a shirt, then it's maybe pants or shorts, but we'll see. Anyway, guys, here goes the first one. All right, very nice. So we have, I don't know what the model of this shirt is, but it is the purple camo. And I really like this print. Ever since I saw the purple camo Bape pants, I wanted something like that. And this is something that would match those pants really well. I don't have the pants because they're probably super expensive. And it says the official name of this is Color Camo Kanji Logo Tee, and it is a size large. I don't know if it's considered undressing it or not, but so you can see that it kind of has some, I'm guessing that's Japanese or Chinese writing, and it's got the Bape head in the purple camo. So I really like this shirt. It's not like a super simple like most Bape shirts are, but it's nice purple camo, which I do like. And it's honestly kind of a hard decision whether or not to sell this or wear it. I'll have to look it up and see what the value is. Here's a full view of the shirt. Here's the front, and there's the back. So the back actually has some writing, if you can see there, and then the front has writing all the way around, which is pretty neat. A pretty cool design for a Bape shirt, you know, something you don't see that often, which is pretty nice. So here's our next item. I'm pretty sure it is also a t-shirt, as you can probably see by looking through that. So let's just go ahead and grab this open. And yes, so we have okay, it's 2 items actually. So I'll show you this first. We actually have a Bape keychain that basically just has a camo and the Bape head on the front side, and then the back it says a bathing ape, which is really neat and a nice keychain addition for any kind of hype beast, I guess, to point out each other when you see each other on the streets. So don't really go wrong with a keychain. So nonetheless, good item to have. And then another item you guys might have had a sneak peek of. This is actually, looks like an oversized ape head. Yeah, it says ABC Big Ape Head T Men's. And this is also a large size because, like I said, I put large in the description. Pretty simple tee. It's white with the normal camo, and then it's the big Bape head. So now I'm realizing when opening this that the front of this shirt has obviously the big ape head, which is cool. The back also has the back of the head, which is awesome. I've never seen that before. Obviously, I'm not very well versed in Bape, but that's a really nice touch. I like that. In my experience, most of the Bape shirts that I've seen have not actually had stuff on the back of them, and these both do. So pretty interesting finds. You know, most of the ones that I've seen are the college tees, just super simple, nothing on the back. Or if the college tees actually have stuff on the back, don't roast me in the comments. I'm not super well versed on Bape, but I do like these shirts. So 2 really good shirts that I've gotten so far and a pretty good keychain. I'm gonna look up the values of this stuff and then get back to you guys. Okay guys, so I just got done looking up some of these items, and after looking at some of these items, I am super pleased with this mystery box, guys. So just this shirt alone, the purple camo with the writing on it, is worth $140 on StockX in size large right now, which is a pretty good value. That's almost all the value of the mystery box, $200. So super pleased with that. And the second t-shirt, the big ape head white tee size large, was going for about $110 on StockX. So at this point, I've already made my money back. That's $250. I only paid $200 plus $10 shipping, so $210 for the box. I've made my money back plus some. Now, if you're selling on StockX, they just added taxes. So you add taxes and fees, you're probably about breaking even. But still, I like to know that I spent $200 and I'm not getting less than that in the value, which is good. And then the keychain, I could not find a good listing for this anywhere. It's called a Bape First Camo keychain. Couldn't find this exact keychain, but I found a lot like them, and they were mostly going for around $20 to $25. So tack that on there, and we're at about $270 for the box. So almost $100 over what the box cost, and I think it's a really good deal. When you have only 2 or 3 items, it's kind of hard to get over the value of what you pay for the box. As you guys probably saw with the Blazendary mystery box that I opened, it was about right at whatever I paid for it, I think $200. So it's kind of hard to go over that with the person making the mystery box giving you a good deal, and with the person getting the box making a little bit of money off of it. I think that Lacedup did a really good job with this, and I'll definitely be buying more mystery boxes from them, probably of greater value, so I can make more money in the future. But this has shown me that at least they give you at least what it's worth and then some. So cheers to Lacedup, and thanks for the free bag that comes with every mystery box. I'll definitely be buying from these guys again. I ordered this like maybe 2 or 3 days ago, and it was here super quick. Couldn't have asked for a quicker delivery or a better experience opening a mystery box. So I'm gonna go ahead and say in my short time of opening mystery boxes, this has been my favorite. That being said, guys, I'll go ahead and conclude the video there. Let me know what you thought of the mystery box. Let me know if you know anything else about these keychains or these shirts, or if you are copping mystery boxes now because you saw me open them. But anyway, guys, like I said, I will cut it off there, and I'll be shooting some more content your way soon. Peace.